Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this effect. So let's get right to it. Well, let's select Airtable tool. Let's go ahead. Let's change the show color to black. Alright, let's give it a border radius. Let's give it a stroke. And reset this to default. Alright. So you want to keep size at 2. The position can be inside or outside. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, okay. Outside, it's okay. And then we change our fill type to gradient. And let's edit the gradient. So over here, you want to make sure that both sides are the same color. So white here, white there. And then we'll add another color stop in the middle right here. Then we reduce the opacity to 0 and click OK. Now let's adjust our angle. This point, okay. And then you can play around with the scale till it looks exactly how you want it. Yeah, I think this looks good. Alright, so let's click OK. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.